Hello, beautiful souls. Are you struggling to attract or receive money? Are you feeling unworthy because, or you have a fear around money? Let's do a quick healing for this. I'm your mindset coach, Srina, and let's just close your eyes and think what is the emotion when you think about money and how intense is this emotion? Just range yourself from 1 to 10 and see what is the intensity around it. Now keep your hands on your heart and say, just relax your energy and say, I take 100% responsibility. Say it out loud with me, please. I take 100% responsibility for the way I feel about money. I take 100% responsibility for how I may have attracted this situation, how may have blocked money from flowing to me. I'm sorry because I believed money is hard to earn. I'm sorry because I had limiting beliefs around money from childhood or because of society conditions. I'm sorry because I have pushed money away by not saving it, not handling it carefully. Please forgive me because I didn't recognize that the abundant universe is always with me. Please forgive me because sometimes I don't act with trust. Please forgive me because I didn't feel safe or deserving of receiving wealth. Thank you because this money block is showing me what exactly needs to heal. Thank you because now I choose to open up to abundance and flow. I love you because you are showing up to heal and change your money story. I love you because deep down you realize that you are meant for financial freedom. Now take a full breath in. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. I love you, money. Now just see your emotions again. Has it come down? This is a powerful Hooponopono technique. It's an ancient technique. And if you say, even if you don't say the sentences, if you just say these 4 powerful statements, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. And if you chant it 108 times, you will feel a lot of difference. Try it, and if you want to understand and learn more about such healing techniques, then link is in the description. Please join my paid courses or free community, or I come up with free healing sessions on weekends. You can join that for releasing your negative emotions. I'm your mindset coach. I help people who struggle in health, career, relationship, or money area, and I help them align their goals with their values and needs and help them progress. Thank you so much.